some food, clothes, books. This is my first go round with all my stuff, so I'll do a more elaborate go through when I get into the van and I start working out how things are gonna flow. Frankie is coming with me, of course. I'm excited. I'm leaving Texas. We're gonna go somewhere up here. Some kiss. All right, it was the first night in the van and it was super comfortable. We're somewhere in East Texas, pretty close to Arkansas. I had a really cool Harvest Host, so I got one of those Harvest Host apps and I've been going around using them. So this is our fourth one and it's a pretty cool spot. It's a little garden learning center. They have classes during the week and sometimes on the weekends, but it's super quiet. It's a huge piece of property. It's got a huge pond, lake, I don't know what you want to call it, and then some rivers going through it, plenty of hiking trails. Frankie was so excited when she got here. She's just super pumped to be in the outdoors. And she's so well behaved that she was just running around as we were getting a tour around the whole property. Super cool. So I'm heading to Drifter Vans to get an upgrade. What I ordered originally, but it didn't come in time for when I picked it up the first time in January. So I'm going back up there right now and have it installed and a couple other upgrades and a couple adjustments. And there's some beautiful, beautiful birds right here. Wow, they were super cool. Once I have those upgrades, there's gonna be some serious cooking. It's an Overlander pull-out kitchen from the back. That is gonna be so cool. I'll be able to grill outside, cook outside a lot more, not just be confined to cooking in the van, which I'm super excited about. We have about 3 or 4 days more driving because I'm not gonna rush it with Frankie in the car. Lots of stopping, lots of walks, lots of sightseeing, taking my time, and we'll get there. I'm gonna plan on driving maybe 3 to 6 hours a day, maybe. We'll see what happens. We'll see how it feels. But I'm gonna try to take it easy this time and staying in some cool spots so we can cook. I must say that having coffee in the morning with the door open in the van is going to be one of my new favorite things. Nice and quiet, birds chirping. Cheers, guys. Ugh. Day 3, second night. Last night we spent the night here, somewhere in Arkansas. Beautiful spot, super easy. Driving really takes it out of you. I think we drove 6 hours yesterday. I'm exceeding my limit. I kind of want to just do 4 to 5 hours and make it casual, but when the place is a little further, we drive a little further. Last night, I didn't film what we made, but I did make a really nice ramen, beautiful, with shiitakes and tofu, bok choy, chili peppers at the end. I made a creamy miso, like barbecue broth. I used a little bit of barbecue seasonings when I seared off all the vegetables. Added the boiling water, some of the miso, a little bit of oat milk to help it be creamy. And I found that oat milk that I use, and this is not a sponsored thing, is Oatly because it doesn't break. It's really important for me that these plant-based alternative milks don't break and I can cook with them. Not all of them work like that. So if you put it in your coffee and it breaks, to me it's no good cooking. So I like one that's a lot more versatile. And Frankie's been enjoying herself. We went for a long walk this morning already. I'm gonna sit for a little while and then we'll hit the road on our way to Detroit. And the journey continues. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Without you, none of us would be here. Appreciate you.